Yogi must be up by now. What's bothering me is what is he up to? Where will he strike first?
Yogi Bear is smarter than the average bear. Yogi Bear is always in the ranger's hair. At a picnic table you will find him there. Stuffing down more goodies than the average bear.
When something's delicious, my nose knows. And where my nose goes, Yogi goes. I just gotta get some food in my shrunken stomach. Hello, picnic basket.
I will use strategy, boo-boo. Watch this.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy! Our days of getting banged up to grab a meal are over, boo-boo. From now on, the picnic baskets are going to fall into our arms.
Give up, Yogi?
Yogi, give up? I gotta prove I'm smarter than the average ranger.
I'm so smart it hurts! Now we just wait here for a picnic basket to fall into our arms!
It's Mr. Ranger.
Yeah. Hello, Mr. Ranger, sir!
Yeah, I'm sorry, sir. I did not mean to startle you.
Oh, what's on your mind? As if it isn't oblivious.
Yeah, doing, sir? I was simply foraging through the woods for sustenance.
Come on, Yogi. Let's leave before the ranger catches you.
See what I mean, boo-boo?
That's a slick trick, Yogi.
I got a better idea.
The ranger won't like it, Yogi.
You know I'm smarter than the average ranger. Hey!
You better not do it, Yogi.
Oh, it missed!
Gee, Yogi, you're a real thinker.
Who? Help! Help! I'm starving! I need nourishment! What's this? Nothing like blowing your own horn! Yeah! Nothing, nothing, nothing. Nothing. Mr. Ranger, sir?
I have never seen such a craven, degrading exhibition in my life. A descendant of the noble bears of the forest.
Never mind, John. I got the message. And I'm leaving. You know something, Boo? Mr. Ranger is right. Hey, yay!
Yogi Bear.